Hello students, we will continue The Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 4 for class 9. This is another subplot of this act and this scene is set in Venice on a street, and who are present there? Gratiano, Lorenzo, Salarino and Salanio. Students, somewhere you will get Salarino, Salanio, or you will get Salanio, Salario. So don't get confused. According to your book, please use the names. So students, in this scene, we will learn about how Jessica and Lorenzo plans to elope, and Bassanio's friends, Gratiano, Lorenzo, Salarino and Salanio, are making arrangements for a celebration, a masquerade dinner party. So let's begin. Lorenzo: nay, we will slink away in supper time. Underline slink away means no, we will leave the place unnoticed. Slink away means leave the place unnoticed during supper time. Disguise us at my lodging. Lodging means house. So we will disguise ourselves or change our clothes at my house and then come back in an hour. Gratiano: we have not made good preparations, means we have not made good arrangements. Salarino: we have not yet spoken about the torch bearers. Now they are planning about the masquerade party, the mask. So students, you should know that what is a mask? A mask is a procession in which those who take part wore masks. So it's a Christian ceremony. You can write down, it's a Christian ceremony where each gentleman participating in the procession is preceded by an attendant who carried a lighted torch, and the attendant is called the torch bearer. So Salarino is saying we have not spoke as yet of the torch bearer, means we have not spoken about the torch bearers. Salanio: it is vile, it is a useless thing unless it is done properly, means it is useless to make this masquerade party unless proper arrangements are done. So what he is saying, that we have 2 hours to furnish us, means Salanio is saying that they have 2 hours to make themselves ready, to get themselves ready. Lorenzo: it is now but 4 o'clock. So now the time is 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us, means by 6 o'clock they have the time to prepare themselves. Enter Lancelot with a letter. Whose letter? You know student, Jessica's letter. Friend Lancelot, what's the news? Lorenzo asks. Yes, hello Lancelot, what's the news? So Lancelot enters with Jessica's letter. Lancelot: and it shall please you break up this, means if you open this letter, break up this, he is actually trying to say open this letter. It shall seem to signify, means then only you will know what is it. Lorenzo: I know the hand in fate is a fair hand and whiter than the paper it writ on is the paper hand than writ. So here Lorenzo says that he knows the writing and the fair hand of the writer is whiter than the paper it has written on. Gratiano: love news in faith. So Gratiano says, oh, a love letter indeed. Lancelot: by your leave, sir. So Lancelot asks Lorenzo his leave. May I leave, sir? Lorenzo: whither goest thou? Means where are you going? Lancelot: Mary, sir, means by the blessings of Mother Mary, sir, I am going to invite my old master the Jew to have supper tonight with my new master the Christian, means Bassanio. Lorenzo: hold here, take this. So wait a little, take this. Lorenzo hands over some money to Lancelot. Tell Jessica I will not fail her, speak it privately. Now what does this mean? Please underline. So in this scene, Lorenzo performs the role of a messenger who secretly carries love letter and information between Lorenzo and Jessica. So, as a reply to the letter, Lorenzo assured Jessica that he will be present at the appointed place to elope with her. Here, I will not fail her means he will not let her down, means what plannings they have done. Actually, Jessica has done the planning. So, what planning has been done for all arrangements done for their elopement, he would not let her down. So, what he says, speak it privately, means give her message secretly. Why Lorenzo instructs Lancelot to speak it privately? Because he is going to Shylock's house and everybody knows the nature of Shylock. That's why he wants Lancelot to provide the message in a secret manner. Go. Gentlemen, here gentlemen refers to the friends, Gratiano, Salarino, Salanio. Will you prepare you for this mask tonight? I am provided of a torch bearer. So gentlemen, please prepare for the mask tonight. I have arranged for a torch bearer. Salarino, Mary, I will be gone about it straight. Yes, indeed, means I will go to make necessary preparations or arrangements at once. Salanio, so I will, means I will also do the same thing. Lorenzo, meet me and Gratiano at Gratiano's lodgings some hour hence. So here Lorenzo is instructing both of them to meet him and Gratiano at Gratiano's house in about an hour from now. Means if it's 4 o'clock right now, so by 5 o'clock he instructs them to meet at Gratiano's house. Salarino, it is good we do so. Okay, we will do the same. Then Salarino and Salanio depart. Gratiano, was that letter from fair Jessica? Was that the letter from lovely Jessica? Lorenzo, I must needs tell thee all, means I must tell you everything about it, the letter. She hath directed how I shall take her from her father's house. So, Jessica has instructed that how Lorenzo should arrange for her escape from her father's house. What gold and jewels she is furnished with, what page suit, page means servant, servant suit, servant's cloth, she hath in readiness. If ever the Jew her father come to heaven, it will be for his gentle daughter's sake. And never dare misfortune cross her foot. Now, each and every line is very important. Please write down the meaning. So now, Lorenzo is informing Gratiano about the plan of eloping with Jessica. So Jessica in the letter has informed him that how he would take her from her father's house, what gold and jewel, means all the ornaments, she would be carrying with her, and about the dress of the servant she would be wearing. Now here one more thing Lorenzo adds, that the Jew Shylock could go to heaven only because of her gentle daughter Jessica's sake. Her goodness may lead Shylock to heaven. Otherwise, Shylock's deeds will never open his door for heaven. Only Jessica's deeds allow him to go to heaven. And never dare misfortune cross her foot. Underline this one. Here, Lorenzo prays that no misfortune should cross the way of Jessica. If it happens, it will be only because of the fault that her father is a faithless Jew. Underline the word faithless Jew. She is issue to a faithless Jew. Here, issue means daughter or child, you can write, because only if misfortune would cross her foot or cross her way, only because she is a child of a faithless non-believer of Christianity, the cruel Jew Shylock. Come, go with me, peruse this as thou goest, fair Jessica shall be my torch bearer. Peruse means read the letter as we go along. So here Lorenzo instructs Gratiano that let us go, come with me, read the letter as we go along, and the fair Jessica, the beautiful Jessica, shall be Lorenzo's torch bearer, and they depart. So students, from this scene, what we learn about Lorenzo's character? We understood that he is a romantic person, but he cannot plan practical things and therefore leaves the planning of their elopement to Jessica. Now here students, if you remember, in the previous scene, we learned that Jessica is her father's child. Means obviously from this point of view, one example we got that really Jessica is her father's child if we think of the planning ability. Okay, because Shylock is also the master of schemes or plans. Here Jessica is also planning out or figuring out everything of their elopement. So students, I hope that this scene is also very clear to you. Please go through the lines properly, and I shall continue the next scene in my next video. Thank you.